What's up, guys? Newest edition of the Sam Jones Show. We're back here for the latest update at the property. I'm out here flipping in Cayce. Let's go in and see what it looks like. Alright, got the recessed lighting up in here. I'm gonna put all new windows in throughout. Got a little panel. Got the recessed lighting in here as well. We got the barn door up. Mounted. It's a little junky in here. We got recessed lighting in here as well. And in the kitchen. Check out the bathroom here. Alright, now let's head out back, see what it looks like out there. So I got the backyard cleaned up right here a bit. Got the roof on. Completely finished the workshop. Well, it ain't completely finished, but it's pretty much restored. I gotta get a paint over here for the interior paint, as well as all of the exterior trim. Outside of that, we'll be working on the kitchen next week, and I say in about 2 to 3 weeks here, we'll be ready to get it on the market. So stay tuned, and I'll be updating y'all with the latest.